Hi everyone! Those marketers who actively use ChatGPT for content creation will soon regret it. All the sites filled with AI-generated content may soon disappear from the Google SERP. After all, Google didn't cancel EAT. In addition, Google added experience. As you might guess, this implies some limitations of AI content. Google has officially stated through John Mueller that Google is not opposed to AI-generated content. But first, Google is great at identifying content written by humans or AI. Here is an example of one of the services that will determine AI content with 98% accuracy. Secondly, the punishment for automatically generated content, according to the same John Mueller, applies only to spam and auto-generation. Some didn't hesitate to copy the generated content from GPT to the site. Jennifer Slegg provided an example query to search for such sites. Mark William Cook conducted an experiment by creating a website with 10,000 pages filled with 100% AI-generated content without human editing. As you can see on the screen, the site stopped working a few months after the launch. On the other hand, Bankrate.com has AI-generated content that has been around for 6 months, and judging by the screenshots presented, the article still works with very good efficiency. Now the question arises: why was AI-generated content successful in one case and not successful in the other? The answer is quite simple. In the first case, the site was completely new, with little authority and reputation. People didn't edit the content, so no fact-checking or proofreading was done. In the second case, it's a website with history and backlinks. Human carefully edited and reviewed AI content before publishing. AI content does not guarantee success, even if it's proofread by a human. Additional factors are definitely needed to signal quality to Google. Let's take a closer look at what needs to be done. The EAT concept is applicable to 3 areas: site as a whole, the content of the page in question, the author or person behind the content. Let's go through these 3 points: site level, at the page level, at the author's level. As you can see, AI content can and should be used in your work. ChatGPT can collect and aggregate information for the author. For example, create article structure and quotes, collect facts and cases. Well, the author needs to edit the prepared materials, necessarily enriching them with his experience. Sign up to our channel and learn how to work with ChatGPT. See you soon.